today, just audio, because it's late at night and you can't really see me that great, so I just decided to just do audio. So let's go ahead and get started. This is Unit 6, Lesson 16, and this is our lesson plan for Monday, April 27th, or a PowerPoint lesson. Let's go ahead and get started. So learning targets is I can partner read the story The Attack on Washington, D.C. I can practice and alphabetize my new spelling words. I can sort words with the I spelling, or the I spelling. Partner read The Attack on Washington, D.C. So I've already done this video, so you can go back and watch me read that and read it with me, or you can partner read with a family member, your choice. So I do have a video reading this story though. So today you will partner read the story The Attack on Washington, D.C. So you could go back to my video and pause it and you take over reading, so it kind of feels like we're partner reading, or like I said, more than welcome to partner read with a family member. So we have a new list of spelling words this week. And remember, this is just something fun that you can do. Just study the spelling words each week. I know that you guys enjoyed them, so I wanted to keep them as a part of our lessons. So all of the words are related to the reader, the War of 1812. So we have the word troops. Say the word troops with me. Troops. As I'm reading these, I want you to think about what they mean and where you've read them at. Impressment. Say the word impressment with me. Impressment. Support. Say the word support with me. Support. Washington. Say the word Washington with me. Washington. I want you to realize that this is capital because it's a proper noun. Battle. Say the word battle with me. Battle. March. Say the word march with me. March. Now remember, this is not capital, so it doesn't mean the month March. It's talking about like marching in the army. British. Say the word British with me. British. Notice that this is capital. Congress. Say the word Congress with me. Congress. Hawks. Say the word hawks with me. Hawks. Merchants. Say the word merchants with me. Merchants. President. Say the word president with me. President. Monarchy. Say the word monarchy with me. Monarchy. Death. Say the word death with me. Death. Cannon. Say the word cannon with me. Cannon. Painting. Say the word painting with me. Painting. Navy. Say the word navy with me. Navy. Ironsides. Say the word Ironsides with me. Ironsides. Paved. Say the word paved with me. Paved. Madison. Say the word Madison with me. Madison. Notice the capital letter. Dolly. Say the name Dolly with me. Dolly. Remember to practice your words at home each night with a family member. And you can find these words on worksheet 16.1 in your fish book, so you can keep record of them. I know a lot of people like to make flashcards out of them. That's something that you could do also. So earlier this unit, you learned a new sound for the I spelling, E-E as in ski. So we realized that I can either be the I, or it can say its name. That bossy E is saying, say your name. So I, or it can be E. I will show you some words in the next slides. You will decide which spelling it matches with. So medium. What sound is the I making in medium? I want you to think about it. Good job. Now, British. Say the word British with me. B-R-I. That I is making the I sound. British. So it's making that I sound right here. say the word trip with me. Trip, let's tap it out. T-R-I-P. Trip. It's making that I sound. Say the word biting with me. Biting. Let's tap it out. B-I-ting. Good. It's making B-I. It's saying its name, so it's that I-E, because that E says say your name. Trick. Say the word trick with me. Trick. Let's tap it out. T-R-I-C. It's making that I sound. Ski. Tap out the word ski with me. Sk-E. It's making that E-E. Hiding. Say the word hiding with me. Remember, we don't tap suffixes, so it would be I'd, hiding. So it's I, it's saying its name. So it's this one, the I-E one, saying its name. This is I-E. Taxi. Say the word taxi with me. Taxi. Let's tap it out. T-Ax-E. Taxi. It's making that E sound. Fix. Let's tap the word fix. F-Ix. Fix. It's making that I sound. List. Tap the word list with me. L-ist. List. It's making the I sound. Crib. Tap the word crib with me. K-R-ib. It's making that I sound again. Riding. Remember, we don't tap suffixes, so it will be R-I'd. Riding. It's saying its name, so it's the I-E because we have that bossy E. Well, I don't know what just happened. Oh, I think we're done. Okay, so remember to study your spelling words this week and know that whenever you see I, there are some options. It can either be saying I, or E. Bye, guys.